Come test drive the 2026 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Elevate your status and command attention with this